All right, let's try another one. Example 3, turn your notes over. Example 3 is right there. Now, I need you to notice that something is a little different about example 3. I don't know if I'm going to do this often because I know that a lot of you all don't pay attention and this will trick you up. But I need you to notice what's on the other side of this equal sign for this problem. Go ahead and write it down. That 4x, you can't just move it over and set it equal to 0. That 4x does not belong on the end. Where does the 4x, just the x term, belong? The x squared is always first, and then your constant is at the end. So that 4x needs to be in the middle. So not only are you going to move that over, you're going to scooch it in between these two terms. So the correct way to write example 3 should be x squared, minus 4x plus 7 equals 0. Now, you cool with that? Is that all right? Don't mess that up, because if you do, then you're going to have the wrong B and C, and it's going to throw everything off. Now we're ready. Your A is 1, your B is -4, your C is 7. Let's go ahead and start with our axis of symmetry. To get that, it'll be the opposite of B, so this is -4. I'll write a +4 divided by 2 times A, which is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So now we got a little variety here. We got a different axis of symmetry. Go ahead on your paper and draw your dashed vertical line where x is 2. And I'm going to get my color here. X is 2 all the way down there. There you go. All right, where x equals 2. Now, we need to know our vertex. Based on my A, because it's positive, vertex will be opening up, so that's good to know. We're going to take this value of 2, plug it in here, see what my y is. So that's going to be 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 7. 2 squared is 4. -4 times 2 is -8 plus 7. Do a little math, or let the calculator do it for you. That gives me a 3, so my vertex is at 2, 3. So let's go ahead and plot that. 1, 2, 3. Right there. There's your vertex. So your curve is going to go down, 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 hit the vertex, and go up, up, up. All right, what's next? That XY table. That's where the work is, so don't get lazy. Your XY table, we'll put it, how far can I go? Let me scooch you. Okay, your XY table, let's put it right here. I'm definitely going to do 0. Definitely want to do 1. Going to do -1. I've already done 2. So let's do, just to spice it up a bit. I don't know if this is going to be it may give me a big number, but let's try it anyway. Let's do 3. Just spice it up a little bit. Make sure you're paying attention. If you want to go ahead and do 2, you don't need to, because I've already done 2. But if you want to do -2, go for it. Doesn't matter to me. All right. When x is 0, first term's gone. Last term's gone. Y is 7. When x is equal to 1, it's plug and chug. 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 7. 1 squared is 1. -4 times 1 plus 7. Do a little math. 1 minus 4 plus 7. That gives you 4. Good. Keep going. I know I'm doing the work, but you're going to have to do the work soon by yourself. You won't be waiting for me. Plug in -1. That's -1 squared minus 4 times -1 plus 7. All right, -1 squared is +1. -4 times -1 is +4 plus 7. That's 12. Oh, but wait. Your graph only goes up to 10. Just scooch it up above the 10. You'll be fine. Don't stress it. There's other things you need to be concerned with. So just add a notch or 2. Let's do 3. See what happens when x is 3. So that's 3 squared minus 4 times 3 plus 7. Well, what's 3 squared? I hope you know it's 9. -4 times 3 is -12 plus 7. What do we get? 4, which is okay. All right. So I did the work. I did the plug and chug. We have the XY table. Let's plot our points and see what happens. So we're x zeros, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that goes right there. You guys should be doing this with me. 1, 4, -1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And remember, yours is just going to go off the graphs. Don't sweat it. And then you have 3, 4. All right? So there's your points. Start up at the tallest one. Come down, down, down. Whoops, I went down too much. Down, down, hit the vertex. Go up. There's your parabola. Now, this is what I call a floater. Look at it. Look at that. It doesn't hit the x-axis at all. Nothing down here. So do you remember what that is? That's a no solution. So when it doesn't hit the x-axis, that means it doesn't have x-intercepts, which means it doesn't have solutions. So write no solution. Guys, that's it. I could do these problems all day long. It's not going to help. You got to try to do them on your own. So speaking of on your own, what I want you to do is take example 4. And if you're in the classroom watching these videos, then you can stop the video and I can check your work, and you can ask Miss Barrett or Mr. Bradley or whoever's in the room, who knows. But I want you to try to do this one on your own. X squared minus 6x equals -8. Okay? Go through the steps. Do it. You will not get full credit unless I